whatever.
Okay, this is the Pegasus roof here, and as you see, a lot of water damage. You can sink your hand right into the roof there. So we're having to replace all that wood inside there and do the recocking and resealing around the vents. And trying to get a look at everything here. Yeah, see how bad it is. And so once Mike here is done with it, it's gonna almost look like new, and you can see it'll be nice and solid, and it'll be in no problems. Well, this is first look before, and we'll see what it looks like after. Okay, this is the front side of the Pegasus. As you can see, some of it needs to be also repaired and repattied. And we're going to have this all cleaned up. Around here. Just out of the rain. There. Those creases are all going to be fixed up. When you lift up, make sure the wood's all good. It's going to look like a brand new unit when it's done. Alright. And that's the damage. See what it looks like when it gets opened up. Okay, this is the inside of the trailer. See, we're looking at the roof here. You see there's no evidence of water damage. We're right under Mike now. And you see, this is where he's fixing around the vents here. There's the skylight. And you see, with the light, there's no sign of any water damage. But once he gets that roof open, you're going to see all the evidence, and then you're going to see the good work that is done that protects the roof. It's going to make this unit really nice. Once again, this is the Pegasus. And it has a lot of roof damage that you couldn't tell from the inside. I'm going to walk outside here so you can see I'm still in the same unit. Okay, there Pegasus. Yeah. There's Mike up there working on it. Okay. Let's see what it looks like once he got that roof open. Okay, we're in the middle of our repair here, so we're going to come and take a look. Look at all this scrap on the ground that's come from it. This all used to be the roof. He's doing a hard work on this thing. And they're all pieces. We're about to, we'll go up the ladder here. Okay, continuing our look, we're on the top now, and you see all the rotted wood. It's going to have to be replaced. Yeah. And here's our skylight. That's what's being covered up. So all this is going to be redone and made solid. It's going to look like new when it's done. And make somebody a happy camper. Okay, this is a quick look inside as we're still working on the unit. So we're going to get this all cleaned up. All that work being done. Turn on the light so we can see. Sunshine kind of taking things out there. Now we can see a little better. Okay. Yep. Alright. This is the inside look as it's being worked on. So a lot of debris, we'll have to get this all cleaned up. Make the place look good. Okay. We're back outside and we're back on the roof. It's a little noisy out here, so I hope I am heard. And now you see we're redoing the insulation here. We're getting some of that wood. Some of this wood's going to be replaced still. But it's looking good, looking like it's going to be all nice and cozy inside. Keeping the cold air from the air conditioning in and the hot air out. Or in the wintertime, keeping the warm heat in and the cold outside. Starting to look really nice, looking really good. Let's see what happens next. Okay. Now we're checking out the front of this unit here. I showed in the previous clip. We got Mike here making sure everything's all nice and sealed up. So we do a good job making sure the tape makes the trim look really good. And we'll continue working on this front here. This unit's going to be someone's pride and joy. And keep our happy campers and make new ones. Okay, this is some of the repair going on in the front. As you can see, the seam looks a lot cleaner. And we'll be redoing the rubber part here. Make sure that all looks good. Some of the work being done in the front, how it's all covered up. This unit's going to look really nice. Let's see what happens next. Okay, here we got a continuation of working on the Pegasus. And we got our border all the way off now. So that's going to be put back up. We'll climb up the stairs here. Look at all this new boards, new wood. This is looking real nice. Resealing. How good that looks. Whole new roof. Alright, we'll see the finished product here soon. Okay, we're back to the front here. And we are on our finished product here. As you see, the inside here is all nice, clear and patched. It looks good. Whole front been re-patched. There. These nice white screens, so because you can see where he did the caulking, and it's all good. And no problem in the front here. Okay, we moved over to the back here. See now, we got the back lights up on top there. It's looking all good. I'm going to take a look at the roof here and see how she looks. Okay, as you see, all the top has been redone, repatted, resealed. No leaks getting in there. So we got now nice, beautiful roof. Resealed and looking good. And this will be for its new owner here. And that is a good repair job on the roof there. No leaks. All right. Okay, and here's just another quick peek of the inside. Now, there was no evidence of leakage in here, but I wanted to show you once we put the vent back in and everything, how good the work was done and how good everything looks now. So you can see it's well insulated. And from all the work being done on the roof there, this still looks good in the inside. Okay. Alright. Well, that was our look at the before and after of repairing the roof on the Fleetwood Pegasus travel trailer. Hope you all enjoyed, and come back to see our other videos. This is RV Swap Shop, where we like to make campers into happy campers. Thank you.